got most of the way to Estes, and we had to stop. Had to pee, had to eat. Whoops, where'd to go? There's Chipper. Hello, honey. Hello, Jeffy. Hello, Chipper.
Howdy.
Howdy. Are these guys going to go pee?
I don't think so.
Hey, I got a telephoto on this thing. Hey, you guys. Should I just follow you?
What? No! Go away! Turn it off!
No. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Lauren. Hey, is your dad 40 today? Where's the date? There it is.
With a
Okay. Lauren's father's 40. Bye-bye, Lauren. For my birthday treat, they're fighting. Little elk buddies. We're down here at Horseshoe Park in Rocky Mountain National Park. If you heard a whale kind of sound, that's the elk bugling. Well, they're going after it, huh, Johnny?
How much do they
That's...
continue with this till their one dies? Or?
No, no, no. Hi there. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Hi,
Very
Lord.
flavorful right
There's some others. I don't know where Jeff is. Where'd Jeff get off to? Tuning time. Okay. Here we are. It's about 6 o'clock. Oh, mountains look pretty today. And see how our little boys are doing. And they're about had it. See you later, guys.
Lauren has a commentation she'd like to make on these elk fighters.
Hi, Lauren. Hi, Lauren.
There's Dad. You see Dad? See Dad? Say hi. Give
Say-
Daddy a kiss.
You're very fruitful, Lauren.
Hi,
I think
Lauren.
we've been productive.
Do something about it, man.
Knock it off. Thomas Ray.
Where is her mother?
That's a
Hi, Lauren. Lauren, honey. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Go away, I'm shy today.
There you go. Hello, Jeffy.
hi.
Hello, Joni Bone. Hi, Tommy. Yeah, hello. Oh, Annie.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you for responding. Hello. Hello, Lauren. Say hi, Daddy.
That's you. Are you responding? Respond and say hello for mom.
Chip's going outside with bare legs.
You what?
He's going out there with bare legs. It freaks.
Why does he have bare legs?
Light out, Tom. Turn off the light.
Oh my God. Okay,
Lauren,
just out
come on
peeing.
my back. Can you massage? Go jump on Aunt Nan. You can massage my back and feel really good. Oh, she's
Goodbye,
not.
Lauren.
Here comes a double kisser.
Oh, that's the.
Regretfully, it's no longer Tom's birthday. I'm sorry to say.
Yay!
Mom, would you
Yay.
like a piece of birthday cake?
Yes, I love a piece of birthday cake.
Was your like belated birthday?
Let's eat it while it can still stand up on its own there.
Hi, honey bun.
Johnny, can
Where's
we get a
Joni?
barbecue pencil?
Look,
We get
this
what?
shirt, the shirt should say Tom is over 40 years.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hey, 40 plus.
Thanks.
He's basically 50.
Yeah, there's some of us
Oh
that
my God.
might tend to disagree with that. Jeffy? Jeff, do you agree with that I'm almost 50? Does that put you
Well,
close
so
to
then you were
retirement?
More
yesterday.
sensitive for other people than some. Didn't need that.
That'll be good.
What did you do for your 40th, Justin?
Hey,
You can't
candles!
do that
Arranged for, we were down in Brownsville, and,
Please, no more fire in here.
a friend of mine from down the
I think it
street,
was just because
he
of
called
the-
me up at work and said he needed to get some liquor. And when I meet him at the liquor store in Matamoros, because you can only bring one bottle at a time. I thought it was a little weird, he never asked me before, but what the heck.
It's just that one.
So we got it, and then we took off to come home, we followed each other home, and I'm pulling my drive, he's pulling his. And he yells at me, "Don't forget to bring my liquor down." Oh, yeah, I'll be right there. So I go walking in his house, and there's a
Oh.
Very bad.
Well, how was your 40th, Chip?
Come over here, make the baby laugh. Madison has started to laugh today.
Oh, there she goes. She fell down. Oh, gotta stop laughing because the camera's on.
Lauren, go talk to your sister and make her laugh.
No. No slapping. No.
Go. Lauren, go. Lauren, honey, Lauren, go.
Maybe some more clothes out of the bag.
Yeah, get her some more clothes. Purpose of making this particular vignette is that Madison is laughing like crazy about 2 seconds before I turn the camera on. Let's see if we can get her to do it again.
Show her.
Hey, show her pumpkin.
Lauren just got a pumpkin from Pumpkin Patch.
Wow.
Oh, yeah,
Wow.
that's Lauren's.
Where's the baby's
And
pumpkin?
She picked this one for the baby.
Oh. Hey, Lauren, show Madison her pumpkin.
Wasn't quite what we wanted. That's why we got more.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Honey, I can't see. Hello. Hello there, little Madison. Can you laugh for us? You're not gonna laugh now, are you? You sure do smile. Give me a big smile, Madison. Give me a big smile. Okay, that's it. That's it. And we missed that 15 seconds worth of laughing.
Oh, Lauren's stripping.
Bye-bye, Madison. Okay, commentary, Mom. What's going on?
Dance, Lauren's dancing. And Madison is really funny. Let's watch her over here. Lauren's gonna come down the slide.
Oh, good. Can she make it all the way up herself?
Yes. The real thing is that she had on shoes that had a slick bottom the other day, and that's when she's.
Yeah. Oh, wonderful. Now, honey, I want to add another step up there anyways. Okay.
Here comes Madison. We're gonna catch her. Ready? Let's catch her. Say hi, Madison. Come on in. Okay, I'll catch you. Woohoo! There she is.
Look at Madison looking at Lauren.
Lauren, can you dance? Oh, big hug. Mwah.
Isn't that sweet? Hi there, little girl. Hi there. Okay. Say goodbye, Lauren. Lauren, can you say goodbye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No, I gotta run.
Oh, she's going over to see Sparky.
Okay.
Okay.
I think we're done.
Okay. How old is Lauren? 4?
Madison?
Madison is June. She's 4 months and a week. And she's gonna have her first meal. She's interested in the microwave. There it comes.
What's going on here? Okay, it's warm.
He's actually waited until she's a little hungry, so we might have overweighted here. Hi, Laura, Madison. Hey, sweetie. Has your mommy got something for you? Your mommy's got something for you.
Absolutely bland.
Come on, honey.
Okay, Madison, here's your first bite, sweetie.
Here it is.
Here we go.
First bite of real food.
Madison.
And she's not hungry. Not bad.
Okay, go get Lauren. Here. Lauren, Mommy's gonna come get you.
She's got it. She's got it on her tongue. What do you say, Madison? Mmm, perfectly bland. It's rice cereal. Let's have one more spoonful. It's always cruel to do this too much to people who have to watch these things.
Come watch the baby, honey.
I think she's doing okay. She's kind of chewing on it a little bit.
You may have a tooth thick. It's supposed to be pretty milky, honey.
Yeah, maybe first
I think
time.
I did it right the first time.
Look at her. Look at her, honey. She's sticking it out.
You get over here. She keeps moving away from me. Okay. Come here, Madison. Come here, Madison.
Hold on, now, don't do that. Not on the camera. Let's get one more mouthful. That's
Come here,
it.
baby.
Say I'm competing now, Mom. It's kind of make it blink.
Oh,
It's a burning in my throat.
what's in my mouth? I'm gonna spit it back out.
Hi, Lauren. You have your bib on. Did you go out for a popsicle? Yeah, Lauren, did you like popsicles? Yeah. Okay, honey. I'll help you, honey, but okay. Lauren, say bye-bye to the camera.
Look at that face.
Say,
Oh, she did the major shiver.
oh, I did. I'm sorry, I missed her.
One more time.
She's got it. She's got it going here. Okay, everybody says goodbye. Okay, Madison, we're back. Back one. There, that is a pretty good shiver. Honey, this is Madison's first food besides milk. Formula.
She looks pretty silly, huh?
Oh, what do you say? Are you helping her, honey?
Major wipeout. Come on.
I got that one. I just got a little bit on the corner.
Are you eating?
Yes, she says, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm
Look at
happy.
Daddy.
Hello, baby.
Uh-oh. She lost it.